quick update on my LG TV that has had the pop-up unknown device come up due to the Wi-Fi module. My TV had an over-the-air update on the 16th of the 3rd, 2020. And if I go into the settings, then under the general tab and scroll down to about this TV, then the software version is showing 058055, which I thought was unusual as my TV has been discontinued and was not expecting any more updates. So I went over to the LG website to look at my TV, which is an LG SJ810V, and if you go to the product support, the latest update is 058035. So I did a bit of searching and found on some OLED and other TVs that they have this new update. And written in the update on line 2 is fix unknown device, toast, pop-up issue by galvanic corrosion. Galvanic corrosion is an electrochemical process in which one metal corrodes preferentially when it's in electrical contact with another. Will this fix the issue? Is this LG saying that they know about the fault? Is this why removing the Wi-Fi module and then connecting it back solves the issue for a certain amount of time? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Cheers.